Camping. My favorite type of holiday is camping. I'm going camping this summer. Sometimes I go camping with my friends. I also like going with my family. This summer, I'm camping in a forest. But first, I've got to make sure I've got everything I need. I am using this rucksack. I must pack the right clothes in it. I'm packing my tent and a sleeping bag too. What else do I need? Well, I'm taking a map with me so I know where I'm going. I'm taking food with me too. But I mustn't cook inside the tent. I must light a campfire away from the trees. I can cook my food on the fire. Yummy! I mustn't drink water from the river. So, I'm bringing bottles of water with me. I mustn't drop litter. I must keep the forest clean. I can't sing songs or make any noise either because the animals that live in the forest don't like it. Now I'm ready for a great camping trip. I'm following all the rules to stay safe. What's your favorite type of holiday? Do you like camping?
Swim. Swim. Fish. Fish. Go for walks. Go for walks. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Have a barbecue. Have a barbecue. Play games. Play games.
I like fishing.
So do I. Really? I like swimming.
Rope. Rope. Rucksack. Rucksack. Binoculars. Binoculars. Raincoat. Raincoat. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. Torch. Torch. Map. Map. Compass. Compass. Let's pack. Let's pack. Compass. Compass. Raincoat. Raincoat. Rope. Rope. Binoculars. Binoculars. Rucksack. Rucksack. Torch. Torch. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. Map. Map.
Pat is making lunch.
No, Pat isn't making lunch. She's looking at the birds.
Carl is wearing a raincoat.
No, Carl isn't wearing a raincoat. He's carrying a rucksack.
Judy is looking at the birds.
No, Judy isn't looking at the birds. She's playing the guitar.
Steve is playing with the cat.
No, Steve isn't playing with the cat. He's making lunch.
Bill is carrying a rucksack.
No, Bill isn't carrying a rucksack. He's playing with the cat.
Mandy is playing the guitar.
No, Mandy isn't playing the guitar. She's wearing a raincoat.
Camping. Camping.
Make noise. Make noise. Pick wild fruit. Pick wild fruit. Feed wild animals. Feed wild animals. Drop litter. Drop litter. Put up a tent. Put up a tent. Light a campfire. Light a campfire.